Hey guys, and welcome. So here we have the AeroScout. Okay, it is a lovely plane. It's 1.1 meters, and I'm gonna have a build video, flight review video, and everything coming on that. What I'd like to show you here in this video is the battery bay and the battery tray that I have made. So first of all, let me just show you what it is like with the original battery, putting it in and out of the plane, and then you'll see why I made this battery bay. Let's zoom in. Okay, let's pop it on the scales and see what it weighs. There we go, 14 grams. Not bad. Doesn't seem to make any difference to the CG of the plane. Just to show you the weight. So here we are zoomed in to the battery bay. Okay, there's the battery bay. The base is made from wood. That wood is pretty light, so you know, if you do any damage to the front or the front wheel, you can break this quite easily, so be careful of that. There's our Velcro straps, one servo, second servo. This is controlling the main nose wheel, and this is controlling our rudder. There's a point here on that. This is also a little bit pointy here for controlling the elevator. And now if you put in the battery, you need to be careful the battery does not go past this groove. There's a little slot actually cut there. You don't want your battery to go past that. The reason you don't want your battery to go past that is because of the canopy. Canopy is shaped like this, so the canopy needs to come in and down, and then you need that space. Okay, so let's pop in the battery and I'll show you some of the problems I had and why I was inspired to make. Okay, look, I took that Velcro out already, so that's why it's falling off. My battery goes here, okay, and then I strap it down. Okay, you wouldn't take off your Velcro, of course. Now that the battery's in here, okay, it's going up there. I can still see that slot, so that's okay. It's not too far forward, but you can see these cables here now. This is blocking that, so move it over here a little bit. You have to get this in the exact correct position because you don't want it to be poked by this, which could damage your cable, or it could cause a short circuit or jam your servo on your controls. And here, this other one here, you need to be careful of. So I thought, what if this battery was raised up a bit? Then it would clear those. That's why I made this little battery bay tray. And that's it. So you can see here it's lower on the front. It's a little bit higher on the back. I thought I put a groove here that lines up with the other groove. You could put something in there if you want for help lining it up, but you don't necessarily need that. I'll show you how to fit it right now. Okay, so let me take out the battery. So you would of course remove this strip of Velcro that was there from the factory. Be careful removing it because you don't want to break the wood, so you remove that very carefully. Okay, I've removed it before, that's why it came off so easily. Now we're going to put this in here. Okay, one strap through there and the other strap through there. So I've put the word AeroScout on the front. That's going to keep it, or that's going to help you orientate it. There it is, it's fitted. If you do want to kind of reinforce this wood, you could glue this onto it if you like, but then you may restrict yourself from accessing these screws. So that's your choice. I think I'm probably going to glue mine on. Now I'll put in my battery, and it's very easy now because it's going to hit that front and it's not going to go further forward. Strap it down. Okay, battery is strapped down. Now it's well held in there. It's not going to really move forward. And if you look here at the side, you will see, get some more light on there, we're now clearing this and we're clearing that other control wire down there. See, the battery is now, if I get a better angle there, there you go. You see, they're kind of clearing that. pop them in there and just as if it was connected. And now we'll take our canopy. Okay, canopy fits in, closed, and that's it. Take it off again, and it's going to make changing our battery maybe a little bit easier, getting it in the same position every time and clearing those. You still have to be a little bit careful of them, but it definitely gives you some clearance. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it works well in your airplane. We zoom out a little bit and I'll just show you the center of gravity. This is, by the way, the standard battery that's recommended for this plane. The Spektrum Smart battery, 2200 3S. Now let's zoom out, I'll show you the center of gravity. So here's the underside of the plane. There's two little bumps here in the foam. That's marking the CG, that's quite nice. I've put little red dots on there just to make it easier for myself. And now I put one thumb on that one, and we put one thumb on this one, and there you can see that's got my CG nicely and balanced. There we go. So I hope this is going to be helpful for you, and enjoy flying your AeroScout. I'm going to have a video coming up soon showing unboxing, putting it together, flying it, and I hope you'll enjoy that too. If you want to see more videos, please do like and subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one. Bye bye.